Is this one? What's that air fryer? No, the wattage. Why is it sticky, Xiao?
I don't know.
You made it sticky. Ah!
Alex is breaking stuff.
You're breaking stuff. Does it not say the wattage? Okay. 23 minutes. 20. That's about the same.
See?
Let's just say. Okay, so we have the fish. How much chips do you want?
Very British.
So we're gonna have this on for about 26 minutes. Yeah, we'll have put 25.
Okay.
Should be fine. Ma.
No.
Yeah, you need a plate, Xiao.
I'll be scolded.
Yes, because that's not a plate. It's not gonna take all the chips and everything. You need 2 big plates. Enough?
Yeah.
Not well. Nom. 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 Stop making me look crazy, Xiao. I'm not crazy.
Just the guy that goes.
That's a normal face to make. Shut up. How dare you judge me? Which one do you want? You want that one? How dare you have the fish I was gonna pick? I just want it because you want it, Xiao. Do you not understand me?
Okay.
Is she the chip? Is she the chip? Yeah. Are you the chip?
I'm a chip.
You're a chip.
Do you want vinegar?
No, it's all right. It's got enough. Thank you. Stop doing things. Let's hope the chips have done well.
Thank you for the food, Alex.
You're welcome.
Cheese dip.
This is why it's important to preheat the oven. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Do they sell fish in Amazon Fish?
Probably. Because with sometimes the Amazon Fresh stuff, it's like it's just Morrison's. Goodbye forever.